I'm Chris Harris. I am the Senior Product Manager at Metabo HPT, and today we have our new Generation 2 NR1890DRSTM 30-degree framing nailer. So today, just to go over a couple of the features of the new tool. One, with it being the second generation, this tool is 1 pound lighter than the first generation. So that's going to give you less fatigue when you're using this tool all day long or overhead. We have changed the material of the magazine from plastic to aluminum. With the aluminum magazine, it's going to be more durable than the plastic. It's more of an open design, so you won't have to worry about coagulation material getting stopped up in here and jamming your nails. Also on this tool, we have increased the power. So if you're driving nails into materials such as LVL, you're not going to have any issue sinking the nails. Another feature of this tool, we have updated the rafter hook. It is swingable out of the way, and it is also ambidextrous, but it's a smaller design, so it's not as in the way if you're trying to use the tool, but still able to flip out and hang on the rafters when you're using it, or you can hang it on a tool belt. We have improved the nose design on it. It's more aggressive. So if you're doing toenailing or angled shots, you're not going to have to worry about the tool slipping as you're getting ready to nail. And one of the last features of this tool is it's also got an improved control panel here. The buttons are bigger and easier to understand when you're trying to turn the tool on or switch it from bump mode to sequential mode. So we're going to load the tool up and shoot a couple of nails here. This tool does come as a kit with the tool, a 4 amp hour battery, a charger, and the tool bag. So we're going to turn the tool on. We're going to start and fire a couple of shots in sequential mode, and then we'll change it to bump mode. Then we're going to change it to bump mode. Hold the button down when the light's flashing, it is in bump mode. So here we have our NR1890 DCA 30-degree paper tape framing nailer. This tool is also available in the NR1890 DRA 21-degree plastic strip nailer.